For our final video, I want to bring all this together and give you some real tools to optimize your immune system and be as healthy as possible. The first thing I want to talk about is if you have followed any elite athlete, you know that optimal performance is inherently centered around optimal nutrition and supplementation. There's not a single elite athlete in the world that isn't on a barrage of supplements as well as nutrition, and that's because it's critically important. So when it comes to the immune system, there are some key cofactors that the immune system needs to maximize the innate and adaptive immune response. And I'm going to fire off the 6 most important ones that I believe and the data supports to be critically important for proper immune function as well as inflammation. The first one is vitamin D. Vitamin D is critical for innate and adaptive immune function, and amongst a number of studies has shows decrease in severity and duration of a variety of infections. The next is vitamin C. Vitamin C is also critical for innate and adaptive immune function and also plays a critical role in inflammation and dealing with free radicals which cause inflammatory damage. The next one is zinc. Zinc also is known to decrease the duration and severity of respiratory infections and helps both innate and adaptive immune function. Magnesium is another important supplement, and not only does it help the immune system, but it's critical for all the vitamin D related functions in the immune system. So if you have adequate vitamin D but not magnesium, you're not going to get the full benefit, and much of our diet is deficient in magnesium. The next molecule is melatonin. Melatonin is outstanding for augmenting sleep, but has a wide variety of functions across the immune system. And lastly is resveratrol. Resveratrol is very effective at dealing with inflammatory mediators, cytokines, free radicals, and also has been shown to have some direct antiviral effects in vitro, which is in a test tube. So again, the key concepts the key ingredients that I focus on are vitamin D, vitamin C, magnesium, zinc, melatonin, and resveratrol. The next thing that I find critically important for my patients is adequate, intense exercise. It's not enough to just go for a walk. You have to have intense cardiopulmonary exercise where you're really pushing your body. When you push your body like that, you are pumping your blood and your lymph through all those specialized tissues, and you're forcing that antigen to come in contact with those specialized cells and mount a response. If you have a very sedentary lifestyle, you are not pumping the blood and lymph through your body anywhere close to what somebody does when they're significantly physically active, and it's critically important. Next is hydration. You want to really focus on being adequately hydrated. The more your blood volume is present, the better your body functions, and it also helps to clear your body of these bad actors and inflammatory mediators through the assistance of your liver and kidneys. And the last thing is proper sleep and proper sleep hygiene. Studies have shown that there's signaling molecules that get released while we sleep that help build that antibody response, and with poor sleep, it doesn't happen the way it should. Anybody that has been lacking in sleep, and you know personally, tends to get sick. So those are the top things that I recommend to all my patients: is proper nutrition and supplementation, excellent exercise and intensity, adequate hydration, and great sleep hygiene, which can be helped with melatonin. So I hope you found this stuff useful. These are things that I recommend to my patients every day. These are things that I do personally every single day. I know it's going to help you. It's helped everybody that I come in contact with. And our goal is to optimize your immune system and make you as healthy as possible.